Good morning, children. How are you all? Today subject is English grade 3 topic grammar. Same adjective also. Today also we are going to see only adjective only. Date is 8 April 2020. So today also we are going to see one small review of adjective only. Okay. Adjective. An adjective is what is the definition of adjective? An adjective is a word used to describe a noun or pronoun. So adjective what will do? It will describe a noun or pronoun. It will describe what? Noun or pronoun. Noun means what? Name of a person, place, animal or thing. So it will describe the person, thing or place. What? Adjective. Describe a noun or pronoun. Pronoun means what? Instead of noun we are using pronoun like he, she, it. Okay. Now what is adjective? See this apple. Okay. This apple means what? Noun. Name of a, I am giving name to that thing. So apple. Apple is what? Noun. We are going to describe now noun. So apple is what? Red color. Apple is round. Apple is yummy. Apple is big. So we are describing in color, in shape, in size and in taste and quality. So we are not only for apple, we can describe for persons, and we can describe for place, we can describe for animals. So tall boy, short boy, fair boy, like this you already know what is adjective. So have you clear? Now we are going to see few example of adjective. It is a sweet mango. So mango is your what? Noun. We are describing now what? Sweet. This is adjective. We are describing what? Mango is noun. We are describing an adjective is describe a noun. We are describing a noun. So sweet is what? Adjective. Mango is what? Noun. Ahmad is a good boy. Ahmad is what? Noun. We are describing Ahmad as a good boy. He is good boy. Good is what? Adjective. I have 2 pencils. Pencil is noun. 2 is what? 2 is what? Adjective. Now we are going to see adjective degrees. Now we are going to see what? Adjective degrees. There are 3 types. We are going to see only 2 types. Superlatives, comparatives. Superlatives, comparatives. Superlatives, comparatives. Say everyone. Superlatives, comparatives. Superlatives, comparatives. So we are going to see what in adjective. We already know what is adjective. Now today we are going to see what adjective degrees. There are 3 types. We are going to see only 2 types. One is superlatives. One is comparatives. Superlatives, comparatives. Okay, now we are going to see what is superlatives. Superlatives are adjectives that compare more than 2 things. In superlative adjectives, it means it will what do? It will compare more than 2 things or more than 2 peoples. Things or peoples. So it will compare more than what? 2 peoples. Superlative, we use the word the before the adjective. So in superlative sentence, it is one tricky you to find out the. It is one trick for you to find out the sentence whether it is superlative or comparative. So when the should be what? Before the adjective, like this. Before the, I will show you example. Okay. We use the word before the adjective. The word when we will use before the adjective word, we will use in the superlative sentence. Now we are going to see comparatives. Comparatives are adjectives that compare only 2 things. It will compare what? Only 2 things or about 2 peoples only, not more than that. But in superlatives compare more than 2 things. Here compare only 2 things. Comparative, we use the word than after the adjective. So in superlatives we use the word before the adjective. In comparative we use the word than after the adjective. So here see the this is the superlative example. See, one small girl is there. Okay, Reem is the youngest child in that family. So see, in this another side picture there are 4 members in that picture, and there is only one child. So the one single child name, her name is Reem. She is the youngest means smallest, means small in her family. So see, here we are comparing what, more than 2 people. See, more than 2 people. How many members are here? 1 2 3 4. So we are, what I said, superlative means compare more than 2 people. So here see, more than 2 people. We are comparing Reem more than 2 people. See, Reem is the what? Reem is the youngest child in that family. See here, young is what? Young is what? Adjective. Before what I said no trick. See this trick here. Before adjective there is the word the is there. We are using the. So if whenever you see before your adjective the word the is there, then it is the sentence is what? Superlative. What that sentence is? Superlative. Before the adjective there is the word the is there. That is what? Superlative. So you can identify by more than peoples also in your sentence. More than 2 people, more than 2 things. If you see, that also superlative. Or one more trick is there. If you found that before what? Before your adjective there is the word is used the, then it is what? Superlative sentence. Now we are going to see. Now we are going to see comparative example. See, one small boy, his name is Sam. One tall boy, his name is Mike. We are here. What is comparative? Only compare only 2 things or people. See, we are comparing only 2 persons. See, one is tall boy, his name is Mike. One is short boy, his name is Sam. So we are comparing only these 2 boys only. So I see the sentence, Mike is taller than Sam. Mike is what? Taller than Sam. So Mike, the tall boy, is taller than what? Sam. So see, in this sentence you can, I said one trick is there. No, if you don't know to name, if you find out how which one is superlative and comparative, another one more trick is there. See, taller after the word is than is there. So taller is what? Your adjective degrees, and than is what? What I said, after adjective than word we will use in the comparative sentence. You can see, now you can understand. If it is don't know how to find out whether it is superlative or comparative, use this trick to find out this is superlative sentence or comparative sentence. In superlative sentence the word used before the adjective, and in the comparative sentence than word use after the adjective. Taller is what? Your adjective. Than you will use after the adjective. Here few examples of adjectives in sentence. See, summer is hotter than autumn. So what type of degree is this? Adjective degree? Comparative. Because see, hotter is what? Hotter is your adjective, and what I said, in comparative than will come after the adjective. See, in this sentence summer is hotter than autumn. So what type of degree is that? Comparative. Now next one, this text is the easiest text in the book. So what is that? Is that, see, easy means what? Adjective. Easiest is what? Before easiest, before adjective what came? The came. So what type of sentence is that? It is superlative. What is this? Superlative. Now see another example. It is the heaviest box here. So more means more boxes are there. So one box is most heaviest. So we are comparing more than 2. So before also, before your adjective there is the is there. So this sentence also superlative only. Tom is 2 years younger than Paul. So here comparing 2 persons only, Tom and Paul. And see, after your adjective there is than also there. So it is what? Comparative. And one more example is, Sam is the tallest boy in the class. Sam is what? Tallest boy in the class. So all more than 4 people. See, class means more than 2 people. Yes. So Sam is what? Tallest boy in the class. So this sentence also what? Superlative only. Today homework is, see, this is the homework worksheet. Read the sentence carefully and write whether it is comparative or superlative. So what you have to do, Ali is taller than Adam. So what you have to write here in the dash, whether it is comparative or superlative, you have to write. I give one example. See, taller means what? Taller is your adjective. After your adjective then came, so it is what? So comparative. Okay, only 2 persons we are comparing here, so obviously it is what? Comparative. This is your homework. I will send in PDF file. You will do this homework. Hope you all understand adjective degree very clearly. Okay, thank you.